Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Now, as you can see, again, no shape up, raw dog, with just waves, and we have an offset crown, and we are still trying to work on forming the rings out of the crown. So we're working on thickening out our crown so we can get the waves coming out, and as well as the direction of our waves. It's not too bad from the look of things. It's not looking too bad, but we're still trying to create circles, get the perfect 360s, you know, no swirl at all. We don't want to swirl, we want straight 360s coming out the crown. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below whatever you want, and also before we go, I'm just going to show you the vision that I have on the pattern of which we're trying to work on. As you can see, since our crown is off to the right side, we want our waves to come out this way. Our angle, we want to start getting our angle out this way. A little slant slightly. We want it to slant off this way a little bit so we can start forming those waves. So it was coming forward, and then over here where the brush would slant, and so on. Of course, we got them. Of course, we got the back waves mattering. You know what I mean? Back waves coming in nice. But yeah, we definitely want to have our waves coming out of our crown. You know, it's not going to just be I mean, it's coming in straight, but as if you see, it's off to the right. So we need to focus and get in. And we're doing pretty well. You know, we'll see if we need to get a slant or not. But right now, we're really trying to get 360s, you know? So this is pretty much the first I'm showing y'all the pattern. I haven't really been on camera in a while, so. However, I appreciate y'all. I'll check y'all in the next one. Again, don't forget to comment your questions and so on. Hit the like button. Just keep things moving. I'll check y'all in the next one.